guys, welcome to school. It's your instructor Tyler. If you guys have not introduced yourself in the comments, go ahead and comment your name, what you're enrolling in as far as, do you bake, do you cook, what do you do? I want to know. And a little bit about who you are. Try to, chat with the people who may respond or may be interested in what you do. And if you have a YouTube, put that too. If you have any handles such as social media, put that too. We're all a community here. And today on the objective are bagels. If you need to get the stuff before you watch the video, do that. If you need to watch the video and then go to the store or however you want to do it, the video is always going to be uploaded on my channel, so you can always refer back to it. I'm always going to put the ingredients at the beginning of what you will need. And yeah, so enjoy today's class and make sure you pay attention, guys. All right. So excuse me, I actually forgot some salt. So that's what I was calculating previously, and I just added the extra salt that I forgot. And then I added the water, and then you go ahead and mix for 10 minutes. Now while we're waiting for our dough to mix after the 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and measure out the cheese. Now the cheese is supposed to be optional. Well, actually the jalapenos are optional. The cheese I usually weigh out, I think, I'm not sure how much I did here. I probably did like 50 grams, honestly. 50 grams or however much cheese you want, but make sure you save enough cheese if you don't get a big bag for the top, because after it comes out of the boiling process, you have to put cheese on it and then put it in the oven, but that won't be until the end of the video. So keep watching and don't forget to spray your bowl here. This actually helps with the moisture of the bagel so that it won't be too dry. Now we're gonna proof this for about 30 minutes. Make sure you tightly wrap it. That's why we need our saran wrap.